Hi guys! So, it's 6:08 already. Tayo ay papunta na sa bus ulit. Ha! Laging ito yung intro ko yung papunta sa bus. Today is Canva Day! So, meron tayo nga atendang workshop sa Makati under Canva and partnered with Kada Career. Let's go! Don Bosco na tayo. Maglalakad lang tayo from here papunta dun sa Canva office. Kasi 12 minutes walk lang naman siya. Kanina pinabala kong mag-move it. Kung 8 AM akong nakarating. Pero maaga pa naman tayo kaya maglalakad na lang tayo. Salcedo Street na tayo. And 100 meters na lang. Nandun na tayo sa Canva. Pero hindi pa naman tayo papasok agad kasi aantayin pa natin ang ating coordinates. Coordinates? Nagtali ako ng buko kasi sobrang init. Tapos wala akong dalang fan. Baka pagdating ko doon sa Canva or sa pag-start ng event, haggard na ako.
Caution, you are under surveillance. 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 Caution, you are under surveillance.
So, inaantay na lang natin ang ating friends. And 8:15 na. Ang kailangan naman namin na nandun na sa may building or nakapag-register na by 8:30. And parang 2 minutes walk na lang naman yung building from here sa 7-Eleven. Sabi nila dito na daw sila. Punta yata sila dito sa 7-Eleven.
Caution, you are under surveillance. Caution, you are under...
Ayun yung mga kasama ko, guys.
Hi, Che! Good morning!
Wow!
Welcome to the vlog! Sino ang late?
It's me. Hi.
Kinabahan ka?
That's me.
Pupunta na kami sa loob ng Canva, guys.
Grabe yung daming stoplight sa Makati. Alam mo, bakit
Totoo.
nalito ako? Ayun yung request. Alam mo kung ilang stoplight na daanan ko?
Ilan?
9. Nabilang ko yun. Oo.
Dami naman! Saan niya sa GC kanina? Wala, ang galing mo. Pero falling influence. Ano?
Nasa loob na kami ng building.
Hi. Ako lang yung pinakamaganda sa kanila. And wala nang iba.
ba kanya-kanya group? Siyempre pa, feel mo to, ito tropa ko. Pero paano yung 19 group?
Nandun sila on that website.
Hindi mo height. Pwede mo natin height.
Yung ating bado. Pwede ka ba?
Saan niyo titigil?
Hi, welcome to Canva PH. Baso?
Pati ka muna na nasag.
Snack from Canva.
Good morning, my name is Gerald. I'm the ops business partner here in Canada, Philippines, and also one of the co-leads of
Yan, papalik na tayo ng bundok. So, punta muna tayo sa L7. We're at the Apo National Park. So, medyo bumaba na tayo.
Wow.
The Vento. So, usually, if may kailangan kami, it's plainly the shirts and the keyboard. Let's go here. Yes, natanong po. Kasi nabol lang yun. So, this is our main dining hall. This is where we usually eat. We're usually laptop nagdadasal, lalo na yung mga Muslim na. Second floor. Yes. Alright, see you. Yes. Hi, this is Wesley.
Hello.
Morning po.
This week we have an event. Thursday. We call it the H2. The working from the first half to second half. Every event, meron kami team. So dahil superhero yung team.
Nagre-record ako.
So we are here at the ground floor event space. So dahil meron kaming event sa Thursday, let's go.
Yes. So that was in college. I'm multimedia arts in Benilde and handled a bunch of things. Do anything, do everything as long as you have an art and potential. So
people and the experience that we'll be having here in the campus. So sabi sa akin, yon. So sabi ko, okay, dahil dyan gagawa ako ng madaming teams. Workplace experience. Kasi
I think in life, or the world tells us that queerness can come.
Globe Telecom, UNICEF, and with the World Health Organization. So please join me.
I'm so privileged and lucky to actually be here to talk to the same and not the same as me. So ngayon, gusto ko i-share sa inyo through the... Bakit palitan niya yung partner?
there's like the internal pressure that you put on yourself. In terms of like academic pressure, what really helped me a lot is finding joy in terms of like why do I want to go to the school every day. So ngayon, I really did a lot of...
Because na-democratize na yung freedom of speech dyan. Kung ano-ano na lang ang sinasabi ng mga tao, don't believe everything that you hear, don't believe...
Sino? Kayo gusto niyo masagutin? Paano na sila? Okay.
Hindi ako naman. Wala na, ito nakakainin ko munggo. Kahit hindi Friday. Uy! Ala, bigat! Yeah! So we'll just wait for the others. Kasi kumukuha pa sila ng mga sausawan at so. This is munggo na baboy. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag doon. Kasi may pangalan talaga siya. Pero munggo siya. And then, nakalimutan ko yung tawag dito. Pero, queenie, something, ganon. Tapos share na kami ni Grazel dito. Toasted mushroom siya na may talong. Tsaka di namin alam to. Pero mukha siyang potato. Tapos may tuna. Hati na rin kami dyan.
Hello, gumawa lang kayo ng drinks niyo.
Ano, tara kain.
Di ba kumuha ko ng
Mag-kiss ka lang sa sauce. Tayo ba dito?
Vanilla. Lagi ka to? Food con. Hindi ako.
Go na. Opo na.
Sorry ah.
Okay. Masarap din yung mas.
Depending on your answer, I want you to move on the right side or on the left side. Hello? Pasok pa. Hello? Okay, first question. Damit na magulo dito sa kaliwa, yung maayos dito sa kanan.
Maayos damit.
Maayos lang. Kakaayos ko lang.
Mag-iintindi ba? Pasok sa closet nyo. Color code yung kanin mo.
Mas basic po siya sa eyes. Dahil mas makakalaman.
Pag may group work, meron ka sa school. Ito ang mga dolphins.
We're the owls.
Ano ang difference ninyo? Ano malaman what motivates?
Importantly, kailangan matuto kayong mag-speech. Kayo ng Oscars. The Grammys ay award ng Pulitzer. You have to know your content. You have to know your why. And then bigyan ko kayo ng tips after.
Regard some of your peers, and you have to think about, I've seen all types of CVs, and again, you have to intentionally curate your profile that you want to consider. It's writing your content. Use that before, create your case. Make sure that you refer back to your, what was your previous, that gives you a benchmark.
Recommended niya na
It's another break time.
Hi, let's eat.
BM Gray got coffee and I got this. I got nothing.
Here.
Meron na ba dito ng resume review session pa?
Almost a decade ago. I took the boards and I wanted to be in the IT field because it's very fun. And it's interesting. AI a lot. We try to reduce a lot of the board here. Okay, thank you for that.
Yun nga, copy-paste na lang. Academics and as well in corporate.
I'm from Cavite City. In modern age, in the afternoon po everyone, I'm araw-araw nagdadepende.
Either here, may sobrang passionate pa about AI.